Ethereum value equivalent to 60.69 to 13 rands a coin. The present cost range 60.60 351 60.79 at 40. The earlier day close 60.70 397. The change was 484.72%. Converse rate ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 70.3142 rands. Excessive cost 80.4945, while low cost 70.3142. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 70.17.654. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 79.388. Change for July 85%. Ethereum figure for August 2024. Initially cost at 79.388 rands. Excessive cost 97.20, while low cost 79.388. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 86.617. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 90.673, change for August 14.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 96.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 138 at 78, while low cost 92.86. They found the middle value of cost 95.480. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 97,082, change for September 7.1%. Ethereum estimate for October 2024. To start with, cost at 97,082 rands. Exorbitant cost 105.670, while low cost 91.1844. They found the middle value of cost 98.338. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 98,757, change for October 1.7%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. In the first place, cost at 98,757 rands. Exorbitant cost 99.268, while low cost 86.280. They found the middle value of cost 94.270. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 90.774, change for November 6.1%. Ethereum gauge for December 2024. In the first place, cost at 90.774 rands. Exorbitant cost 90.774, while low cost 78.679. They found the middle value of cost 80.7207. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 84.601, change for December 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 84.601 rands. Exorbitant cost 88.877, while low cost 70.7249. They found the middle value of cost 83.48. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 83,063, change for January 1.8%. Ethereum estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 83,063 rands. Exorbitant cost 96,033, while low cost 83,063. They found the middle value of cost 80.7977. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 89,750, change for February 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 89,750 rands. Excessive cost 123.66, while low cost 88.104. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 93.489. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 94.735, change for spring 5.6%. Ethereum figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 94.735 rands. Excessive cost 111.815, while low cost 94.735. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 114.46. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 140.500, change for April 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. First and foremost, cost at 140.500 rands. Exorbitant cost 119.32, while low cost 103.544. They found the middle value of cost 119.629. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 111.338, change for May 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 111.338 rands. Exorbitant cost 138.193, while low cost 111.338. They found the middle value of cost 120.25 out of 5. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 129.152, change for June 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 129,152 rands. Excessive cost 129,152, while low cost 119,1845. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 121,566. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 118,113. Change for July 85%. Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 118,113 rands. Excessive cost 120,403, while low cost 111,603. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 119,531. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 120,003. Change for August 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at 120,003 rands. Exorbitant cost 148,947, while low cost 120,003. The found the middle value of cost 130,2039. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 139,203. Change for September 16%. Ethereum estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 139,203 rands. Exorbitant cost 139,203, while low cost 117,469. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 130,547. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 126,311. Change for October 93%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else, cost at 126,311 rands. Excessive cost 128,891, while low cost 112,027. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 121,922. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 120,459. Change for November 46%. Ethereum figure for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 124,59 rands. Excessive cost 140,513, while low cost 124,59. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 130,2541. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 139,732. Change for December 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset, cost at 139,732 rands. Excessive cost 151,906, while low cost 130,2030. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 141,409. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 141,968. Change for January 16%. Ethereum conjecture for February 2026. At the outset, cost at 141,968 rands. Excessive cost 150,336, while low cost 130,142. The found the middle value of cost 143,671. Ethereum